Hello, good day to you. It is Monday, July the 20th as I record this. David Cohen here with you. For those that don't know me, you've never heard of me, I am a business coach and facilitator. I do a lot of work with nonprofit organizations in the area of economic development and small business startup. And I really love the work I do. So, like most of us, our work and livelihood has been affected by what's going on right now. And, you know, we have time to kind of think and maybe assess and examine life. And I don't know about you, but I've done a little bit of that over the past 4 months. And what I've been working on is a bit of a passion project of late. Still developing my business and working on advancing that and working on some new initiatives. But the passion project is on peace. I just finished doing a 5-day peace challenge on social media. If you want to check out my YouTube page, it's on there, where I did 5 interviews with very great guests on different aspects of peace. And then we ended a week ago, on Tuesday, July 14th, with a panel discussion on peace with 2 really wonderful guest speakers, Wendy Craker from the Mennonite University School for Peace, and based in Manitoba, and my colleague Eric Hellman from Spirituality at Work out in Vancouver. And then we had a panel town hall discussion with participants and a very interesting conversation on peace. So one of my passions is peace. And I believe as an entrepreneur that entrepreneurs can actually make a difference. That because we have more flexibility, we can make decisions faster, we can make a difference to contribute to the betterment of society and to the planet. Whether it's through our creativity, our ideas, maybe a new invention, maybe something like a new concept to bring forth, community and peace in the world. So, that being said, along with this, the 5-day peace challenge, and then the town hall discussion on peace that we did, and it's all on my YouTube channel. Part 3 of this is based on a dream and a vision I had a number of years ago, about 25 years ago, actually, maybe even 24. And the idea came to me wouldn't it be cool to have as many people holding hands worldwide at one given moment in peace, unity, and harmony? And that's what I want to get across today. On August the 8th, which is a very auspicious day, August the 8th of this year, a Saturday at 11 o'clock, I'd like to get as many people as possible to go outside your home, hold hands with your family safely, and your neighbors if you can. And if not, just hold your hands up in unity and peace and love and harmony. You can even have the peace sign, right? And just for like 5 minutes, just contemplate and meditate and be together in unity, harmony, and community and love in your neighborhood. And if you want, you can post pictures on Facebook. Hey, I did it. I did it for 5 minutes. I'm asking for 5 minutes. I'm asking for you, if you like this idea, to share it with as many people as we can. Because apparently August 8th is a Lion's Gate. It's a very high energy day, and we can affect change. I don't know about you, but I see our politicians, I see our governments, I see the craziness in the world too. And we're kind of waiting on the world to change, but it's not changing. It's not changing. So maybe it's up to us to change it. And that's what I want to encourage you to do. Have a little courage, step up, and let people know about this event. There's no charge to it. I just want you to meditate, hold hands, go outside. If you don't want to go outside, then do it inside. Whatever it is you need to do, just take 5 minutes at 11 o'clock, wherever you are, on Saturday, August the 8th, and just let's unite our hearts, our minds, our bodies in peace, love, harmony, unity, and community around the world. Are you with me? Please join me. All right? and join others and share and let other people know about this, because I really want to make this day and this event happen. It's just a dream. I'm stepping up. I'm taking chance. My heart says, you know what? Calm down. Who are you to do this, right? Just why even bother? And then the other part of me says, well, what do I have to lose, right? What do I have to lose? I mean, it's time. It's time to step up. It's time to step up to the plate. And let's have some good news. Let's have something to cheer about. Let's all of us be our own inner hero. And that's what I'm asking you. Participate, share, let people know. Okay? Thanks. Much love. Have a beautiful day. It's Monday, as I said, the 20th, and as I record this, and I hope to hear from you. All right? And on on this website, you'll see a link to my Facebook page. Feel free to join it. It's called the Peace, Passion, Prosperity Project. I'm really proud of it. It's only been going since mid-January of this year. Oh boy, I picked a good year to have it. All right, take care. Much love. Have a great day wherever you are. It's nice out here in Toronto where I am. It's sunny and 20s, and it's gorgeous. So just take good care and keep well too. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.